Cloud Mountain 6-piece rattan wicker furniture set, outdoor patio garden, sectional sofa set, cushioned summer pillows, dark chocolate including 1 glass table, 1 single sofa, 1 ottoman, 2 pillows, 3 sectional sofas, 9 creamy white cushions. Shipped from US in 4 boxes, easy use, easy assembly required and all hardware included. Removable cushions with zipper for easy cleaning, easy to wash. Cushions are not weather resistant. Please put them away when it is rainy. Fashion design, chocolate and creamy white colorway, sleek sharp edges, and modern design will bring new energy to your home. Most liked on Instagram. 1,000 people likes this 6-piece conversation set. Premium material, built from rust-resistant strong steel frame with durable and weather-resistant 9mm thickness rattan wicker for years of use. 180 grams polyester cover and 800 grams vertical cotton make you feel more comfortable. See more product details. Cloud Mountain 6-piece rattan wicker furniture set, outdoor patio garden, sectional sofa set, cushions, summer pillows, dark chocolate. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.